What's up, YouTube? And today I'm going to be showing y'all my fidget collection. So let's get into it. First of all, yeah, that was just for the. I just wanted to do that so y'all can see that when I do my picture. I'm just not gonna say because I'm tired of getting around my picture thing. Anyways, I'm finna be showing y'all all my fidgets. I'm finna be showing y'all all the slimes, little sneak peeks. I got so many now. But now let's show you fidgets, poppets, all that, you feel me? Monkey noodles, more monkey noodles, you feel me? All that. Oh, that, you feel me? So I don't really have a lot like I said I did. But I'm gonna just show y'all my kinetic sands too. I guess to make this video because it's really much. And I'm gonna add these things for mini brands. So I'm just it's a feature. But first we have monkey noodles. They're dirty though. Like really dirty. But yeah. Monkey noodles, really nothing to them. They just stretch and they just broke. So yeah, that's awesome. But yeah, whatever. Now we have poppets. We have my pop. First we have the purple one. These ones don't really make a lot of noise. I have 4 poppets, y'all. And they don't really make a lot of noise. So that was the quiet side. That was the loud side. They be hair all over these. Yeah, that was this one. Now we got this one. Oh, this is like a blue tin, this green one. This is the quiet side, actually. Loud side. These is so good. So this is the quiet side. The quiet side is still pretty loud, so you gonna see the loud side, like. Loud side. Yep. Here's the orange one now. I'm gonna do video art. This is the quiet side. Loud side. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all my kinetic sand, and then we're gonna get on to the mini brands. I have so many mini brands, y'all. So many. Ooh, this is so nice. This is kinetic sand. I'm gonna just call it a fidget. See, this video is only 30 minutes, so I had to add something. This video probably would have been 2 freaking minutes if I just showed them. So yeah, I had to put something in here. But this video probably gonna be 5 minutes. Actually 6, because I'm trying to make it 6, but maybe 7. But yeah, that's my kinetic sand. That's bad. I don't want to make it too long at all. So, not too long, because my videos be long. So, after this, I'm doing my slime collection. I'm very excited about that. Okay, now we have my mini brands. So I'm just gonna start off by these purple. These are all my mini brands. I have 10 of them. So first we're gonna start off with these 3. They're the same. That's a bummer. kind of want to open it, but I'm not. This is going to ruin them. But, yeah. If I really open it, it's probably going to ruin it. Because I know there's not nothing in here. So I can feel it. And, yeah. Let's just start filling it. But first, we got these cupcakes. So, yeah. And then we have the Airheads. Cherry flavor. And then we have Mentos. No, this is not freaking Mentos. These are Mentos! Hey, Mentos, right? Mentos. Yeah, found it out. It's Mentos. Now, these are the flavored ones. And then we got Smarties. Some Smarties. And then we got this. I forgot what these called, but you can put like Smarties and stuff in them. So, yeah. And we got soy sauce. Soy sauce. Y'all. Don't come for me. Like, do not come for me. How I say sauce, but sauce. Yeah, got some soy sauce. So, now I have chili. How's it called? Hormel chili. Hormel chili with the beans, with beans, yeah. I did. And last thing we got is shampoo. Got some shampoo. This is the one I was really excited about. But yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment if you can. Wait, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you can. I already said that, but yeah. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you can. And we is out. Peace.